Hey guys, YouTube Res back here with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Mavic Pro Fly More combo. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so you have to undo this. And then the box just pulls off like that. Alright. Alright guys, so here we go. What it contains. So it comes with a bag. So has a front zip, just here, pocket. So it has some stuff in here. So these would be the spare wings. It has an instruction manual just here. And so on for the main part, a pocket here, and that has some sort of connector and another connector. The instruction booklet for the drone. Alright, I also have here, so it has a strap to put the bag around your shoulder. It has a charging cable. It has a power bank just there. Car charger right here. So here we go, the remote. So two antennas, just like that. This part comes out like that. Put your phone there. Small screen here, controls there, and also some buttons here. So that might be to adjust certain things when you're flying. Right here, so that must be a multiple power station. It's pretty good. And I'm not sure exactly what that's for. That's pretty much it for the bag. So I'm gonna chuck all this back in. Alright, good stuff. Alright guys, so on to the fun part, drone DJI Mavic Pro. So here we go. So this must be the batteries. So it's got 2 batteries, which is good. It comes with a lens cover here, so you take it off while you're flying. And yeah, super compact guys. That's the one thing that is super good about this particular model. You can just store it in your backpack. It's not like the Phantom series where you have to lug a big case around. Super portable. It shoots in 4K. It's very stabilized. You can hover in the air instead of going up and down and moving around. You can hover in one spot. So super good engineering behind this, and I cannot wait to use it. Thanks for watching guys anyway, and yeah, peace out.